Let's move on to our top focus this afternoon. Politics is raging over the Balia shooting incident. The son of BJP MLA Surendra Singh has now threatened the Yogi government over its handling of this case. In a Facebook post, the BJP MLA's son has accused UP Corps of working at the behest of Chief Minister Yogi. He threatened the Chief Minister of a massive stir if a one-sided investigation in the matter continues. Remember, the alleged shooter Dhirendra Singh is a close aide of MLA Surendra and also a BJP worker. Earlier in the day, MLA Surendra Singh visited a local police station to file a counter FIR against another group which was involved in the clash. The MLA claims this group attacked Prime accused Dhirendra Singh and his supporters first. He also took the injured, which included 2 arrested accused, to a local hospital for treatment.
जो भी वहाँ घटना घटी है और जिसके द्वारा भी घटित हुई हो, मुझको उस पर टिप्पणी नहीं करना है। प्रशासन और न्यायालय जो करना होगा करेगा, लेकिन एक पक्षीय काम करना किसी भी दृष्टि से अच्छा नहीं होता है। और दूसरे एक पक्ष का तो एफआईआर हो गया, लोग पकड़े भी जा रहे हैं, पकड़ा जाना चाहिए, लेकिन दूसरा पक्ष जो है, उसकी बहन, मातारी और बेटी जो है पीड़ित होकर के लाठी डंडा खा करके, हाथ पैर तोड़वा करके, माने 10-10 लोग जहां चोटिल हो गए हैं, तो क्या यह अपराध नहीं है?
This is the same BJP MLA who yesterday even defended the alleged shooter, claiming that he had fired in self-defense.
धीरेन्द्र सिंह यदि आत्मरक्षा में गोली नहीं चलाया होता तो कम से कम उसके परिवार के दर्जनों लोग मार दिए गए होते और उनके गोल के दर्जनों लोग मार दिए गए होते। लेकिन जिस तरह से प्रशासन अपनी कार्रवाई सुनिश्चित कर रहा है, उससे मैं जरूर ये अपना आग्रह करूंगा कि दूसरे पक्ष के भी पीड़ित लोगों की पीड़ा को लोग समझें और उनकी पीड़ा को भी देख करके जो न्याय हो सके उनको भी देने का कष्ट करें। यदि वो आत्मरक्षा में कोई गोली चलाया है, अपराध हो सकता है, लेकिन आत्मरक्षा के लिए ही लाइसेंस निर्गत होता है। धीरेन्द्र सिंह डब्लू ने यदि आत्मरक्षा में गोली चलाया है तो गलत काम जरूर है, लेकिन उनके सामने मरने और मारने के अलावा कोई दूसरा विकल्प नहीं था।
And let me take this across now to Abhishek Mishra, who's joining us live with more details. Abhishek, this MLA, he is part of the BJP, Surendra Singh. We know that the main accused is an aide of his, and he's now going all out to defend the accused in this case. So much so that his son has also questioned Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath.
Absolutely, and there is no doubt now that this whole case is now moving towards not for the fact what happened in the village that night, but about 2 groups. Surendra Singh coming in very openly is saying that there has to be a 2-way action taking, and they should also take the statements of the family of accused. What they are saying that they were beaten badly, and whatever he does, the accused does only for the fact that in order to defend himself and the family. But moreover, it has come up with a lot of questions. There are so many lapses. One, first, the administration was not able to caught him. We caught him. We have seen him on camera, how he was almost there, and he absconded later on. Now, Surendra Singh coming in. Yesterday, he said, yes, he is my person. He is affiliated to BJP. He has worked for me for the campaigns, and now he's saying he's advocating on behalf of the family. He's demanding for the FIR against the other group, and he wants that investigation should be done from their side as well. So certainly, this case is going to be come with lot of new dimensions to it, but the whole case is under the probe, and the more it will emerge now is the role of the police administration, how they have not been able to handle it, and now one by one more angle and points will uncover. Yes.
Okay, Abhishek, thank you for getting us all those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.